Hello everybody and welcome to FbCadCam tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to use a for loop statement using FreeBASIC. For loop is used to check for certain conditions and then repeatedly execute a block of code, as long as those conditions are met. To use a for loop statement, just type for I as integer equals 1 to 5. So when you press enter, it automatically shows the next loop. The next means terminated the definition of the for loop construction. You can also write dim as integer I, then type the for loop statement for I is equals to 1 to 5. It is the same thing and same function between these codes. So I prefer this for I as integer is equals to 1 to 5. Press enter. So inside the for loop, type print. So at the bottom of the next, type sleep to maintain the output of the program. And then let's run a program. The output shows that it counts 1 to 5 and it prints the output 5 times. When I change the code from 5 to 10 and we run the program again, and it prints 10 times and it counts from 1 to 10. So as you can see, it prints 10 times and it prints from 1 to 10. What if I want to print reverse count numbers? It's possible. Then reverse the numbers from 10 to 1, and then after that just add the step -1. A more advanced loop includes the step parameter, which specifies the value at which a variable is incremented. It can be negative to have a loop decrease and variable instead of increasing it, and may even be fractional. And then let's save and run and see what happens. As you can see, the numbers are reversed from 10 to 1. So as you can see the code, you can see the difference of increasing and decreasing the variable. So that's the purpose of the for loop statement. So that's it for this video. I hope you learned a lot, and leave a like, subscribe, and share this YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.